This is Motorola Moto X40, and today I will demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings. From here, enter the network and internet category. If you would like to check your Wi-Fi usage, go for the internet section and open the non-carrier data usage page. On the other hand, if you would like to check your mobile data usage, get back to the main network and internet page, and this time go for the mobile network. And at the mobile network, you should have the app data usage. In my case, it's unavailable because I do not have any cellular data used. As you can see, the usage amount, you can see it on top of here as well, is 0. But if I will quickly do something with my mobile data enabled, as you can see, the usage appears over here right away, and the app data usage section becomes available, so you can open it and see the detailed statistics about the amount and sources of cellular data usage as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.